What would you say to somebody who's on the fence about mentorship at all? Because I think you've been somebody who's in tune with mentorship. You reach out, you text, you come to mastermind calls, you come out to tours. You definitely got a lot out of the program by just being active, I will say, and reaching out with questions. What would you say to somebody who's on the fence? Is mentorship valuable? Is having access to someone like me or a program or network, is that valuable? Is that worth an entry fee? Or should I just go out and just figure it out on my own? Because everybody is kind of struggling with that question. Should I figure this out on my own? Is it cheaper to figure out on my own? Or should I actually get assistance and help here?
Yeah, no, great question. And I'm definitely no philosopher, but I try to learn from people smarter than me. Number one. And number two, a quote comes to mind. It's, I think plans prosper in an abundance of counselors. And so having an abundance of counselors will make you successful and leapfrog you to the next level, as opposed to learning those failures and falling in the pit hole yourself, right? I try to be a go-getter. There's definitely people who are way more active than me in a lot of areas of my life. But I still try to go ahead and do the best I can by reaching out to people, because I don't want to take that L by myself, right? I'd rather see how somebody else's punch, duck, and jive.
Or you get cracked.
So it's worth investing in reaching out to people who have done it before you in all aspects of life. And so it's definitely worth the investment. I know Brian's time is very valuable. And so the fact that he's offering it for money, it's worth making that investment.